Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you some Monopoly Go bank heist strategy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Monopoly Go, just click on the following options. You can download an app store for iOS users, and you can click on the Get It on Google Play for Android users. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, the Monopoly Go bank heist is a variation of Monopoly that introduces a unique twist, turning players into robbers aiming to secure the most loot. Alright, so basically, the idea is the primary goal is to accumulate as much as loot as possible. That means you need to prioritize moving around the board to land on loot spaces frequently. And you need to decide whether to target high value loot or riskier, or lower value loot or safer. But the thing is, high value loot typically requires more dice roll to reach, exposing you to more risks. So let's deal with the dice rolls for now. Now, for you to be able to earn more dice rolls, you need to do a lot of playing in-game with the Monopoly Go. And one of the best strategies to passively earn more dice rolls is go to the friends and family right here, because when you click on the invite option, you would be able to send invites and you can receive, as you can see here, when you invite your friends to join the game and receive rewards, you would be able to earn more dice. Of course, there's like 20, 60, 100 per invite, and you have like a limited of 10 invites, and after that you would be able to have like 150 dices and the Monopoly token. Now, after getting a lot of dice, right, the next thing that you should remember that you need to aim to acquire funds by landing on loot spaces and protect against risks, because you need to target more valuable loot spaces but be mindful of potential setbacks. Now, when you go to the focus on completing sets or loots for bonuses, because once you do that, you would be able to safeguard your accumulated loot by minimizing risks and maximizing benefits from your safe houses. Of course, you need to be strategic about winning to make bold moves for high value loot late in the game, and you might have a clear picture of your opponent's position and strategies. And I believe that the winning strategy involves a mix of calculated risks, smart resource management, and leveraging unique character abilities effectively. Now, remember, the game's outcome can be influenced by luck, but a well thought out of strategy can definitely improve your chances of coming out of top and to have a success in Monopoly Go bank heist. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.